Buongiorno, friends. This is You Know What, and today you will witness the creme de la creme of the shortcuts. Let's start with my personal favorite, Ctrl Shift T. This shortcut saves you whenever you accidentally close a browser tab or you want to reopen it without going to the browser history. Some browsers like Chrome, Edge, or Safari also let you restore your whole session after completely closing, be it intentionally or on accident, like magic. Next up, we have this bad boy, Ctrl F. Let's say I want to search a specific term on a website. Click Ctrl F and type in whatever you are searching for, and it will highlight it for you. This works in many applications and nearly all text editors. Often you can also replace the term you are searching for with a different one. Sometimes you gotta find the option though. We move on to Ctrl A. This comes in handy if you want to select every selectable thing. It could be text or a bunch of files. Press Ctrl A and the work is done. Next up, we have Shift Click. This shortcut lets you select a range of items. Click the first item, hold Shift, and click the last item. Everything in between will be selected. Following that, we have Ctrl Click. Need to select specific items? Just click the items you want while holding Ctrl. This works with a bunch of things like files, layers in Photoshop, and many more things. Lastly, we have Ctrl Z. Wait, you probably know this shortcut, just undoing an action, right? But do you really use it efficient enough? Did you know that this shortcut also works in the Google search bar? Or when you delete or rename a file? Let me know in the comments. And adios, have a nice day.